Hey everyone! Today I'll be unboxing my new iPhone 16 Pro Max in the color white titanium. This year's colors were very similar to last year's colors, so it was super easy for me to pick the white. The base model is a 256GB storage option, and that's the exact storage size I'm comfortable with, so that's the one I got. I'm coming from a 14 Pro, so it would have been really nice if this came with a new charging brick. Sadly, they haven't done that in years. It does come with this braided cable, which is nice because they're more durable than the older ones are. The only thing is that these are usually too short for my preference, so I might have to purchase another one. Aside from the cable, you also get a quick start guide and a SIM tool. This year's phone screens are slightly bigger. They reach closer to the edge, giving a fuller display. So it's 6.3 inches for the Pro and 6.9 for the Pro Max. This year, they added a new camera control button to the side of the phone. Later in this video, I'll be testing the button myself. So this year's model is pretty similar to last year's model, minus a handful of new features. It still features a glass back with an Apple logo, is IP68 water and dust resistant, has an action button which you can customize it to do more than silencing your phone, new camera control button to adjust settings for your camera, same titanium frame from last year's model, the same USB-C charging port for faster charging. The main camera can now record at 120 frames per second, and the ultra-wide camera is now 48 megapixels. It has a slightly bigger battery and slightly lighter in weight as well. For my new phone, I will be using a case from CaseBang. CaseBang sent me this package for a collaboration, and they kindly sponsored this portion of the video. This package includes a few products such as a phone case covers, a screen protector, phone stand and covers, and more. I think this is my biggest accessory unboxing yet on this channel, and I'm super excited for it. So their cases are military grade, they have a very good drop protection, and they are also MagSafe compatible. I've been using their phone case on my 14 Pro for a couple weeks now, and I honestly really like it. The edges of this case are nicely thick, don't feel slippery at all, and are very protective. Plus, it's very soft and easy to hold in my hand. CaseBang is the first brand to provide magnetic removable covers. Being magnetic makes changing the back cover super easy. The covers are made out of polycarbonate material to make them super strong and tough. Simply click your favorite back cover on, and it'll stay in place until you want to change it or take it off. If you want to change it, then you can pull it off and put a new one on. Within 1 second, you can easily change the cover. The cool thing is that they have new collaborations every 2 months. At the moment, you can find Pokemon, Secret Garden, One Piece collabs, and many more. The package also comes with the glass screen protector, which provides a full side-to-side protection. It comes with everything you need, such as an alcohol wipe, microfiber cloth, dust stickers, and an installation frame. With all that's provided in this kit, the installation is very easy. A tip for putting on screen protectors is to not use the microfiber cloth, as there could be dust on it already. If you do get bubbles during installation, no worries. Use your nail to push the bubble to the edge. It should go away as long as there isn't any dust. And no bubbles. So what edge to edge means is that there's little to no gap on the edges, and it covers pretty much the entire screen. Here's how it looks with the screen protector installed and the phone case back on. Next, I'll be unboxing the side accessories. These can all be used together, but to demonstrate, I show them separately. This is a magnetic phone stand which sticks on the same way the covers do. The magnet in this stand is very strong on both sides. You can stand your phone up horizontally or vertically. The benefit of this phone stand is that you can remove it anytime it's not in use, and it won't leave a sticky residue from glue like the other brands do. Right now there's a couple of series to choose from on their website. The ones I have are from the Pokemon series. So just like the covers for phones, these can also be changed as well. Changing covers or removing the entire stand is super easy. This is also a good thing if you don't like your phone bulky at all times. This is probably something I'll bring with me when traveling. Last but not least, let's unbox the lanyard. It attaches to the inside of your phone case so it's super secure, then you connect the pieces together via a clip. After tugging on it, it did not budge at all, which is a good thing I think. And the nice thing is that you can disconnect most of the lanyard so you don't have a long piece dangling from your phone 24/7. Casebang is offering 15% off site-wide if you use my code ANITA, and they're also offering a limited time gift box for the iPhone 16 series launch. If you're interested in any of these items, check out their website casebang.com, and I will also link the website in the description box below. At this point, I have used the device for a few days now. Let's talk about some new iOS 18 features. I think Apple's leaning more towards adding more customizable aspects to the phone. You can now customize your control center layout. You can click and drag icons to be smaller or bigger, move them around even to different spots on the screen, and you can now add more than just Apple apps here. Some apps I have downloaded that are compatible are Instagram and TikTok. I'm sure many other apps will also be compatible soon. For example, for Instagram, it opens up the camera directly, but maybe soon they'll also add the option for DMs and etc. later on. Just like the home screen, you now have multiple pages in the control center. This one is for music. You can then have more blank pages to add more if you like. Next on new iOS features, they now allow you to customize your icon color themes with a few simple steps. You're going to hold on to the screen. At the top, you'll click on Edit and then select Customize. At the bottom, you can switch from light to dark themes, have them automatic or just tinted. You can also change the icon sizes here too now. I think the slider is great for people who don't have the time to customize each icon individually, but for me I still prefer it that way. In my opinion, when you change the color of the icons with the slider, the colors look too dull and muted. I do think the idea is there though, but for example, this theme here looks a little bit off. I'm curious to know what your opinion is on this, let me know in the comments. So after all that, if you're like me and want to revert it back, simply click on Light. The two buttons on the bottom of your lock screen can now be changed or removed. They're the same apps you can customize the control center with. I honestly wish they gave us the option to add more widgets as well. I think one row is not enough for most of us. So now let's talk about the new camera control button. Pressing on it will activate the camera app or take a photo, but if you use slightly less pressure, then it will bring up this menu instead. In this menu, you can change the zoom, adjust the exposure, change the style, and some more. I'm actually curious if many people will use this feature as it could have totally been a software update instead of a physical button. I'm still getting used to this button, but if I were to pick between this button and a fingerprint reader, I would have chose a fingerprint reader. Overall, I do love the camera quality on the iPhone. They take very good images with a quick shutter. I did not have time to test out the video quality this time, unfortunately, but if you're interested in a video like that in the future, please let me know. After these photos, I will be doing a game test, as I know some of you are curious. I will be playing Call of Duty and Wild Rift.
see.